Very good morning to all of you, student. This is Dharmendra sir, your English teacher, and today I am going to describe a very important and a brief story about a person who is known as a great scientist, as well as a person who gives us a great inspiration that how can we fight with our disabilities. That means, student, when we have fallen in any disabilities, then we begin to think that our life is become expired. But a person who make the power of his disabilities, this is the real person, this is the real man. And by this disabilities, the person who gain the highest peak of success, this is the real man, and this is Stephen Hawking. That means, student, अपनी डिसएबिलिटीज के बाद भी अगर हम सफलता की टॉप को टच करते हैं, छूते हैं, उसे पा लेते हैं, तो दिस इज द रियल कैपेबिलिटी. दैट मीन्स द पावर इज टू टाइप्स. The power is two types. The first is a person who is strong by physical, while the second is a person who is strong by mental. So here we are going to discuss about a person who is mentally strong, not physically, but mentally strong. So student, let's start our chapter. Before you read, this is the story of a meeting between two extraordinary people, both of them disabled. That means what we are going to explain here, it is a story of a person who met with another person who is also disabled. That means the meeting of a two disabled person, or differently abled, as we now say. And now we can say that both have a different kinds of disabilities. That means, let's suppose that one is disabled by his leg, then another is by hand. But it is not real here, because in further when we describe the one by one paragraph, you come to know that what kinds of disability they have. So Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time. That means he was a greatest scientist of his time. He suffers from a form of paralysis that confines him to a wheelchair, and he suffers to a paralysis who confines him in a chair. That means he was become arrested in a chair. That means he was compelled to have a seat forever, and by this seat he can use his capability or move anywhere. Now, and allow him to speak only by punching button on a computer. And he was also disabled by his vocal. That means he had lost his speaking capability. That's why what he want to express to anyone, he has to use a punching button of a computer. Which speaks for him in a machine-like voice. And that's why what the voice is not a human, which not the produced by the human. It's not feels like a human voice. It feels that it is a voice of a machine. Like you always know that in a TV serials, in a cartoon movies, that what kinds of voice a robot produced. Student, definitely it's your favorite topic, and mostly students want to Want to watch the movie, want to watch the cartoon, and what the movie is related to a science fiction. They have a remote or any other machine who produce a voice, and what kind of a voice produced by the machine is not like a human. It's just like a machine language. So that's why you have come to know that what kinds of voice would be produced on that time when a person speak on the machine. That means machine language. Firdaus Kanga is a writer, and now we are going to introduce to you to another person who is also disabled. The first is Mr. Stephen Hawking, and now we are going to discuss about Firdaus Kanga. He is a writer. He was a writer. One was a scientist, great scientist, and the second was a great writer and journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. And he was belongs to Mumbai. Kanga was born with brittle bones that tended to break easily when he was a child. That means Mr. Kanga, when he was born, his bones are not so strong as a normal child. He has a brittle bones, that means weak bones. That means when a pressure caused on his body, his bones will be cracked. Tended bones that break easily when he was a child. Like Hawkins, Kanga moves around in a wheelchair, and like Hawkins, Kanga was also moving here and there by a wheelchair. The two great men exchanges thoughts on what it means to live life in a wheelchair and on how so-called normal people react to the disabled. Now, the two great men exchanges their thoughts on what it means to live life on a wheelchair. That means the person who live on a wheelchair, they exchanges their thoughts to each other when on a how so-called normal people react to the disabled. And the normal people who think about the disabled, that they wouldn't be a normal, but the disabled person can also be act as a normal when they make their disabilities of his capability. स्टूडेंट, अगर हम अपनी कमजोरियों को ही अपने एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर लें तो डेफिनेटली वी विल गेट व्हाट वी वांट. हम जो चाहते हैं हमें वो मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स इफ आई एम नॉट सो टॉल एज एनी अदर्स, इट्स नॉट अ मीन्स ऑफ दैट आई हैव नॉट अ फील्ड वेयर वी गेट सक्सेस. We can get success. You can take the example of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was not a person who has a great height, and many times he has stopped to be a bowler. His coach always said that you can't be a bowler, good bowler, because you have very small size. Then he made his height a power, and he turned his ambitions as a bowler into a batsman. And now we knows that what is Sachin? The most world famous name in the cricket and as well as the humanity. So student, this chapter gives us a great inspiration that disability means nothing. Physical disability means nothing. The disability which belongs to our mental, this is the real disability. So a person shouldn't be disabled by mental, whatever they have disability of physical. It doesn't mean that what kinds of disability you have by physical. You should be tough and strong by mental. Cambridge was my metaphor for England. Now, Stephen Hawking said that Cambridge was my metaphor for England. That means here, Cambridge is compared with the England. So that Stephen Hawking said that Cambridge was as a England for me. And it was strange that when I left it, become altogether something else because I had met Stephen Hawking there. That means this statement is said by a narrator, not by the Stephen Hawking. It was said by the narrator. So it was strange that narrator says that it was strange that when I left, it became altogether something because I had met Stephen Hawking there. That means when I left the place, it gives me some another kinds of experiences because there I met Mr. Stephen Hawking. That means narrator was himself disabled, and when he met with other disabled person, he come to know that what is the real means of such kinds of thought, and it turns his life. It was on walking tour through Cambridge that the guide mentioned Stephen Hawking. It was on a walking tour through Cambridge that the guide mentioned Stephen Hawking, poor man who is quite disabled now, though he is worthy successor to Isaac Newton, whose chair he has had the university, and started because I had quite forgotten that this is the most brilliant and completely paralyzed astrophysicist. And when I was on walking tour through the Cambridge, when I was walking through the Cambridge, one of our guide mentioned that Stephen Hawking was a poor man. That means not a poor man, it is a man with disabled qualities. But he has a very great quality and confidence that really he is a successor of Isaac Newton. That means Isaac Newton is one of the names which is most popular in physics as well as in the world. And now he is on a chair, and his chair become the university for him because he made lot of things on his chair. And I started because I had quite forgotten that this most brilliant, completely paralyzed physicist. And then he also mentioned that he was a person who was completely paralyzed, and he was a physicist in his great area. And that was the area was his scientific reasons. In his scientific reason, he used to use his capability to do a new things, to produce a new things. That's why his name is so popular that a person get inspiration from him. So student, I think this is the great inspirational story by which we can take a lot of inspiration, because most of the students think that he has some disabilities. It may be from his height, from his colors, etc., etc. But we never think that it is the physical qualities, not a mental. And we shouldn't be disabled by mental by thinking inferior of himself from others. So student, we will take the great lesson from this chapter, and the next paragraph will be explained after this. Thank you. Well student, further author says that, and I started because I had quite forgotten that this most brilliant and completely paralyzed astrophysicist, that means further narrator said that I started my journey because I had quite forgotten that this most brilliant and completely paralyzed astrophysicist. Means further net expressed that when I had heard about the Stephen Fleming, I quite forget about my trip. I quite forget my trip. But after some moment, I started my journey, and I want to meet Mr. Stephen Hawking because he was not a paralyzed astrophysicist. He was also the author of a brief history of time. That means brief history of time, one of a great creation or composition of Mr. Stephen Hawkins, and this book is one of the best seller of that time. Of that time, it was the best book. When the walking tour was done, I rushed to a phone booth, and when my walking tour of Cambridge has been done, I rushed toward the phone and almost tearing the cord so it could reach me outside. And I just pick up the phone to call Mr. Stephen Hawkins, so that it feels that the cord which was connected to receiver and the dialing machine was just feels that it will be cut down. That means tightly narrator pulls the receiver toward himself. Phoned Stephen Hawkins' house, and he called Mr. Stephen Hawkins. Stephen Hawkins. That means he phoned. He phoned to Stephen Hawkins' house, and there was his assistant on that line. And when the ring rang there, one of his assistant picked up the phone and told him that I had come in a wheelchair from India. Then I have told him, that means narrator explained to him that he came from India on a wheelchair. Perhaps he thought I had propelled myself all the way. That means here in the bracket he want to express that it is just like he himself propelled all the way. That means he was not carried through anything or carrying by anything. He just carrying himself through by a wheelchair. Propelled, that means carried by. To write about my travel in Britain, and he mentioned him that he want to write about in a book of his tour of Cambridge and Britain. I had to see Professor Hawking, and he also included that he wanted to meet with Mr. Hawkins. Even 10 minutes would do. And he also insisted that if Mr. Hawkins give me a 10 minute for meeting, it will be very pleasant for me. That means he was so impressed after hearing about Hawkins. He was so enthusiastic to want to meet Mr. Hawkins for a 10 minutes, and it will be great time for him, and it will be very precious time for him. But he got half an hour, he said. The person who received the phone sat half an hour from 3:30 to 4. That means you can meet Mr. Hawkins from 3:30 to 4, and that means half hours you can meet him. And suddenly I felt weak all over. And when I got the invitation, or I got the opportunity to meet Mr. Hawkins, I felt weak all over. That means I began to feel weakness all over, because he was also paralyzed, and also traveling by plane or by wheelchair, and also take a tour of Cambridge. So he was exhausted. Growing up disabled, you get fed up with people asking you to be brave. And when a person said you frequently that be brave, a person become weak by mentally. That means it's a very quite true कि जब एक पर्सन आपसे कहता है कि बहादुर बनो, इसका मतलब आपको ये लगता है कि मैं कमज़ोर हूँ, इसलिए वो कहता है बहादुर बनो. मीन्स आप मेंटली कमज़ोर होते चले जाते हैं. And also as if you have a courage account on which you are lazy to draw a check. That means the person who said to you, be brave, he means that you have a account in a bank of bravery and you haven't time or you haven't energy to draw a check. That means यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा other gives him some comic tune and said that कि जैसे मान लो आपने किसी ब्रेवरी में अकाउंट खोल रखा हो और आप इतने लेजी हो कि आप एक ड्रॉ भर के थोड़ी सी ब्रेवरी आप नहीं ले पा रहे हो. इस तरह की कुछ कॉमिक ट्यून्स को यूज़ किया गया है. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you. And when you see someone like you and have gotten a great success, then you will become what? Courageous. Achieving something huge. Then you know how much is possible and you reach out further than you ever thought you could. That means, and after that you can get the complete and the highest peak of success when you see a disabled person to make his life prosperous or getting success in spite of his disabilities. Then student, I think it had been clear and definitely it would be very helpful to you. And when there is any problem, then you can ask me, and the rest of the things will explain in the next video. Okay, thank you.